Welcome to Mike's Man Cave, and today we're having a quick video on the Silicone Sucker mobile phone holder for your car. There's a picture of it on the side there, and there's some instructions and features on the back, and there tells you what size mobile devices it can hold, and that's back to the front of the box. Now I've got this just to try it out. We used to have a mobile phone holder for the car, but it actually broke. So I've bought this one. This is only a few dollars on eBay. I'm not going to put a link in the description box. You can just search it on eBay and this will be one of the main ones that comes up. And they start from about $3 or $4 delivered, so they're not really expensive. And I'm only wanted this so it can hold my mobile phone while I'm driving in a secure place where it doesn't slide around in the car or fall down on the ground or fall between the console and the seat or wherever these things end up when you're driving. And in Australia, it's actually illegal, and it probably is in most other countries as well, to be holding or operating your mobile phone in any way. So this way I can just mount it up on the windscreen. And this will also be great when you're using the navigation app on your phone when you're driving in unfamiliar areas. So let's get this out the box and see what we've got. Okay, there it is. It's got some sort of protective stuff there. We can take that off. It seems very, very sticky, this. I'm not sure I'm going to like it. I think once you've mounted this to your car, it pretty much stays there by the look of it. Very, very sticky, as you can see. I'm hoping it's going to hold up to the heat in the long term. So basically all you do is you press this up against your windscreen or wherever you want to mount this thing, and you clip this little thing up and it creates a vacuum and it just sticks to your windscreen. You've got an adjustment down here where you can adjust your orientation of your phone and which way you want to be facing it. So you've got quite a bit of adjustment there, which is great. And once you've adjusted it, you just lock it in place with the adjustment locking ring here. So that then holds it steady in whatever position you like. It's got nice little rubber pads here and there where it holds your mobile phone, so it'll give it a little bit more of a secure grip and will also protect your device from getting scratched or damaged. And it's spring loaded. Okay, it's not excessively strong, but it'll be plenty strong enough to hold your mobile device in any sort of situation. And it's also slightly tapered, as you can see, to provide extra security for your device. Now overall I'm reasonably happy with this. I paid $5.50 for this on eBay, delivered to my front door from China obviously. I've just noticed there's also a button here and there which you can just press in and take this off. Now you can spin this around and it locks back in, and it gives you further options for different applications. So you might be able to even stick this down on your dash and have it facing that way or that way, or any way you like really. It just gives you more mounting options, which is a really good idea, I think. I really like this bracket. I'm hoping it's going to work as well as what it looks. So let's go out, fit it into the car and see how well it does work. Now here's the mount installed in the car. Now I've actually stuck it to the dash top and it actually sticks to it. And this surface is sort of semi-soft, just like a normal dash in a car. It's not hard plastic. and it still sticks to it reasonably well. I didn't expect that. I just thought I'll try it. And that just gives you another mounting option. And let's mount it up on the windscreen and see how that goes. And here's another mounting option where it's just stuck to the windscreen. And in this case I'm actually filming, or I can be filming, as you can see there. Or I can just use it as a GPS mapping device or anything else. And as you can see, with it mounted in the car, you can also film yourself completely hands-free while you're driving, or you can be vlogging while you're driving. So that's just another option. Also in the video, just excuse the hood lining up the top there. It's been taken out to get recovered because it all dropped down. So disregard the hood lining up the top there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Bye for now.